In this video, you will learn how to find Wix Nameserver. First, go to the Wix website and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. After that, select Manage Wix Account from the drop-down menu. In the dashboard, go to Domains tab in the left side. In the domain section, you will see a list of your domains. Click on the domain for which you need the name server. After selecting your domain, you will see DNS settings. Click on it. In the DNS settings, you will find the name server listed. Wix typically uses these simple name servers: s6.wixdns, ns7.wixdns. These are the name servers you will need to enter in your domain registrar dashboard if you are connecting your domain to Wix. If you are needing or using an external domain provider, you will need to update the server name, log into your account with that provider, find the Manage DNS or Edit Name Server, and replace the current name server with the Wix server name. Then save the changes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.